First of all, I would like to greet you. Happy birthday, sister. I know you're wondering why I'm wearing shades in your jacket. First, I'm wearing shades because I have a big eye bag because of tons of work. And second, I'm wearing your jacket because it feels you're beside me. You're beside me. Anyways, someone wants to greet you. Still ringing. Just wait for it.
Hello.
Hello, Ina Magenda.
Hello.
Nay.
Jerem?
Nanay ako to, JB.
Ay, oh, asa ka na?
Dito sa bye.
Kondo?
Nay.
Yung kasama mo?
Ako lang.
Oh.
Nay, gumagawa ako ng video para sa birthday ni Jamie. Baka gusto mong i-greet siya. O baka may gusto ko sabihin.
Nag-greet?
Naka-video tayo ngayon.
Oh, anak, happy birthday, Jimmy. Pati tatay?
Oo naman, syempre.
Oh, napirin mo, hindi si Jamie happy, pero ngayon ko ng tatay na kaya ang nakakadala ng cake. Hello.
Oo, tay.
Oh.
Naka-video tayo ngayon.
Oh.
Bati, ano sasabihin mo kay Pangit? Birthday niya ngayon.
Happy birthday, kamo.
Sige, makakaabot tayo.
Sige mo. Tanga, sa lakas lumamon lahat ng aso mo. 2 kilo na may bilhin ng nanay mo karne. Paano kung makukuha po? Sige po, kalaki na, kalakas na si Bebo. Baka malang kasi laki na rin ni Bebo niyo. Paano nga? Lapit ko pinakain niyo.
Sige, tay. I'll call you later ulit. Anay, tawagan kita ulit mamaya ha. Gumagawa lang akong video. Sige, Nay. Thank you. There you have it. Again, happy birthday, Bunso. Pangit, ganda. I know you're far away. That's why I'm making this video. And if you have challenges in your life right now, we're here to support you. And don't lose hope, okay? Just keep fighting. Because pag sumuko ka na, wala, magfa-fall apart. So, just stay strong. Cheers. Sarap talaga uminom. One more thing I want to show you, sis. Yeah! Infinity War! Yeah! Patience saves money. Yeah, that's the real thing for me. Goodbye.